Hi, I'm Derek, owner of Amber Valley Construction. Today I'm going to introduce you to a unique process we offer that no other contractor in West Michigan provides, our Value Engineered Trades Day. This process is designed to give homeowners like you the best possible price while eliminating the risk of surprise costs down the road. It's a meticulous approach to planning and building that closes the door on future change orders and ensures that you get the most value out of your project. One of the biggest challenges in construction is managing unexpected costs. Homeowners often go into a project with a budget only to find out later that the cost is much higher than expected due to change orders. Change orders happen when something wasn't accounted for during the planning phase or when a contractor discovers unforeseen issues on a site after the project is already started. This adds stress and financial burden to homeowners. But what if you could close the door on those unexpected costs before the project even begins? That's exactly what our Value Engineered Trades Day produces and is designed to do. Our Value Engineered Trades Day is a game changer for homeowners. Before any work begins, we meticulously plan your project down to the smallest detail, even the box of screws. We create project tolerances of less than 1/8 of an inch, ensuring that everything is precisely accounted for. Once we have our detailed plan and budget in place, we send the scope of work to at least 3 trade experts for every aspect of your project, even if we intend to self-perform certain tasks. This allows us to gather bids from multiple experts who specialize in different trades. But we don't stop there. After gathering the bids, we invite the trade experts to the job site for an on-site evaluation, the Value Engineered Trades Day. This is where they have the opportunity to inspect the existing conditions, confirm their bid, and identify any issues before construction begins. There are 2 major benefits to our Value Engineered Trades Day. The first is competition. By sending the trade scope to at least 3 experts, we create healthy competition for your project. Each trade expert knows that they're competing for your project, which drives them to offer their best price. This gives you, the homeowner, the advantage of getting competitive bids from specialists who are motivated to deliver value. The second benefit is accountability. By inviting trade experts to thoroughly evaluate the site conditions and to confirm their bids, we close the door on future change orders. The risk of completion is now transferred to the trade expert and taken off of you. It becomes their responsibility to conduct a thorough inspection of the project site and identify any potential issues up front. This means that if something unexpected comes up later, the responsibility falls on the trade expert, not on you as the homeowner. They've already had the opportunity to investigate and bid the project based on real conditions, so there's no room for surprises. By taking this extra step, inviting trade experts to review the site before the project begins, we significantly reduce the risk of unexpected costs during construction. The experts have already walked the site, inspected the conditions, and confirmed that their bid accounts for everything. This process, like I said, closes the door on future change orders. Since any potential problems are identified and addressed before the project starts, there's no need for costly adjustments or mid-project surprises. What we've done is transfer the risk to our trade partners. They own the responsibility of completing the project according to their bids, and this gives you, the homeowner, peace of mind knowing that the project will be completed on time and within budget with no surprises along the way. Our Value Engineered Trades Day process isn't just about preventing change orders. It's also about getting the best possible value for your budget. By inviting multiple trade experts to evaluate the site and submit bids, we give you the opportunity to choose from the most competitive pricing available. Whether it's plumbing, electrical, or custom cabinetry, each trade expert is motivated to offer their best bid to win your job. This creates a win-win situation for the homeowner. You get expert level work at the best price while ensuring that all potential risks are accounted for up front. With multiple experts evaluating the project, you can feel confident that you're getting the best value. We ensure that every trade expert is held accountable for delivering high quality work at a fair price with no hidden costs or surprise fees. Let's recap. Our Value Engineered Trades Day offers 2 major benefits to you, the homeowner. Competition for the best pricing and accountability to close the door on future change orders. By meticulously planning your project, sending trade scope to multiple trade experts, and conducting on-site evaluations before construction begins, we ensure that you get the best price while mitigating the risk of unexpected costs. This unique process gives you the peace of mind and maximizes value for your budget, something no other contractor in West Michigan offers. So if you're looking for a contractor who can deliver the best value for your project while while eliminating the risk of surprise costs, it's time to work with Amber Valley. Our value engineered trades day process is designed to ensure that you get competitive pricing and peace of mind with no change orders. Check out our YouTube channel for more tips and advice on planning your next home remodel or construction project. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.